Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a photo from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off let's get into Photos app. On Photos, you can easily delete any photo by holding on your finger at that photo until that option comes up, and then you can just hit Add Delete and then hit Add Delete Photo. As you can see, I have just removed that photo from my Photos gallery. You can delete a photo from the gallery, but it will still remain for 30 days in the recently deleted. So you can go to Albums, then scroll down, and at the very bottom you can easily find that recently deleted option. You can just tap on that. It may ask you to use a Face ID to get access to that folder, and it contains all the photos that you have just removed within 30 days. They are sorted from newest to oldest, and you can scroll down to see all that photos. It will remain here for 30 days, and after that it will be removed even from here. But if you want to permanently delete the photo from here right now, you can just hit Add Select, then check mark those photos you want to delete, and now you have two options. The first is delete, the second one is recover. If you want to delete, just hit Add Delete and then confirm it. That's it. I have just permanently removed 4 photos from my device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.